So with C, it's a, again, common optimization question. Optimization. I do hope I did spell optimization correctly. Determine the length of the base of the frame. So we need to determine the length of the base of the frame that will result in the area of this frame being a maximum. So they want us to work out the largest possible value for this base that will result in this frame being the largest possible area. So with a question like this one, clearly, because we are referring to area and the maximum and all that, we would firstly need an area equation. Now the key thing is, luckily this area equation is in terms of x. So we are going to work out an x value where this area of this shape is going to be a maximum. And then whatever that x value is, for us to get the length of the base where the frame will result in the area of the frame being a maximum, we technically would then need to multiply x by 2. So in words, it's all just mixed around, it's just gibberish. But remember, with questions where you will need to get the maximum or the minimum of anything, whatever equation you will be given or whatever equation you will have, always differentiate it and then equate it to 0. And then whatever variable you get after working out that equation, it will help you answer your question. So in our case, we are going to take our area equation and then we are going to differentiate it. So this area equation, if we differentiate it, this is what it is going to look like. This is a differentiated equation of our area, because we know that 1 times 24 gives us 24, and then 1 minus 1, the x just falls away technically. Well, it's technically a 1, but we don't write it. And then here 2 times negative 4 gave us negative 8 with x to the power of 1 there, because remove 1 from the exponent. I should slow down. And then here we said 2 multiplied by a negative 1/6, it is going to give you a negative 1/3. You can use your calculator for that. And then here where x is, we know we just need to move 1 from the exponent. So keeping in mind that negative 1/6 pi is your entire coefficient there. So these differentiated ones, we said we need to equate it to 0 and then get an x value here, which will result in our area of our frame being a maximum. So an x value here, the 24 can go over, and then these, we can see that these are like terms. Now you could put in your calculator -8 minus negative 1/3 pi. That's going to give you a decimal and all that. So that's not very comfortable to work with. So the easiest way to work this out is we would take out x as a common factor, and then here we can easily divide this value on both sides. So the x value where our frame is going to be maximum area is this number here. Now remember, this is the x value that will result in it having a maximum area. However, they wanted the length of the base. So the base of this frame is x and then another x. So your final answer would be this value for x multiplied by 2. Our question wants the length of the base where the area will be a maximum. So the length of the base will technically be x plus another x, which is just this value for x multiplied by 2. If you put all this in your calculator, it should give you the 5.13 meters. So this is all you needed to do for question A, B, C for an optimization question like this one. So catch you in the next video.